Hello viewers and welcome to Review Information. In this video I will show you how to set date and time in Samsung Galaxy A30 smartphone.
Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified any updates.
First of all, go to Settings. Scroll down and tap on General Management. From General Management, tap on Date and Time. Here, automatic date and time is enabled. If you want to set date and time manually, you have to disable this. Toggle up this button to disable automatic date and time. You can change time zone from here. Tap on Region. Select your appropriate region. Now go back, tap on Set Date and select Current Date. Now tap on Set Time and set Current Time. If you want, you can use 24-hour format. For this, toggle up this button. That is how you can set date and time in Samsung Galaxy A30 smartphone. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.